Children, today we are going to see the next unit, time. Children, I hope you all finished the textbook exercise money, what we discussed last week. Today we are going to do textbook exercise, that is unit 4 time, page number 42, 4 to 42. Here, a day with Mugil. Okay, how does he spend a day? From morning he wakes up to night he goes to bed. Okay, what you people will do? காலையில எழுந்ததுலேருந்து நைட்டு படுக்க போற வரைக்கும் நீங்கெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? நீங்க திங்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அதுக்கப்புறமா நம்ம முகில் இங்க என்ன பண்றான்றதையும் நம்ம பார்த்துட்டு நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணலாம். சரியா? ஓகேவா? First let's see a day with Mugil. See, he wakes up from the bed, brushes his teeth, going to restroom, which is a very important activity in the morning. Okay, and he's doing exercise in an open area. See here, getting fresh air in the morning. Okay, doing exercise is a must, children. After doing exercise, he takes rest for some time and he goes for bath. Okay, next what he's doing? Yes, he takes his breakfast. Okay, and he goes for school wearing uniform and taking his backpack. Okay, after reaching school, see, the teacher teaches a lesson and he's ready to give answers for all the questions. Very active boy, isn't it? And after the class gets over, he's eating the lunch with his friend. And in the evening, the school gets over and he comes to home. After he comes to home, he freshes himself. Okay, washing his face and everything, and changes his dress and goes to play. He's playing with his friends. You all will do this, isn't it? As soon as you come from school, yes, you'll be waiting for Amma to give snacks, and then you'll rush up for going out to play with your friends, isn't it? After playing for an hour, he comes home. Okay, then he takes his book, he does his homework and takes his book and read for the next day class. And at night, he takes his dinner and goes to sleep. Does everything correctly, isn't it? I hope you all will do the same thing. Isn't it? You're all very good children, isn't it? Correct? நீங்களும் இந்த மாதிரி தானே ரொம்ப ஒரு குட் சைல்டா இருப்பீங்க. கரெக்டா? முகில் மாதிரியே இருப்பீங்களே நீங்களும். கரெக்டாமா? Yes. This is how a day goes for Mugil. So morning, he eats breakfast. Morning, he eats breakfast. At lunch, afternoon, he eats lunch. And at night, he eats dinner. Okay. Now, coming to next page, children. Color the boxes for the morning activities with blue and the evening activities with red. Okay, for morning activity, what are all the morning activity? You have to color it with blue color. If it is the evening activity, we have to color it with red color. So look at the first picture, children. Mugil is playing with his friend. See, for morning, blue, and for evening, red, isn't it? So, the first picture, Mughal is playing with his friend. So at what time he plays with his friend? Morning or evening? It's evening, isn't it? So what color you have to color? Red color, isn't it? So color the box with red. It is the evening activity, isn't it? Okay. Now look at the next picture, children. Yes, Mughal wakes up from bed, isn't it? So it is the morning activity. தூங்கி எழுந்திருக்கிறாங்க இல்லையா காலையில? It is the morning activity. So for morning activity, we have to color with blue color, isn't it? Next one is Mughal is eating dinner with his parent. Yes, dinner evening activity. So evening means red color. So color with red. Look at the next picture. Yes, he is wearing uniform. He carries his backpack and going to school. When will you go to school? Morning, isn't it? So it is a morning activity. So color the box with blue. Okay, children. Now, I think you all finished this. Now we'll move on to the next one. Okay. Look here. Changes in time intervals in a day. Morning, morning, afternoon, evening, night. See, the sun rises in the morning, isn't it? Sun rises in the morning. Afternoon. See? Yes. The sun be at the top of our head, isn't it? Giving extreme heat. So it is afternoon. The next is evening. The sun set. The sun sets in the evening. The sun sets in the evening. The next is night. Dark, and you can see moon in the sky, isn't it? With stars. So it is night. Morning, sun rises. Afternoon, sun at the top of our head. Okay. Evening, sun sets. Night, you can see moon and stars in the sky. And it is dark also in the night. Okay. So match the activities based on the time intervals that occur. See here. Match the activities based on time intervals that occurs. Excuse me. So look at the picture here. It is night, sunrise, sun is at the top, isn't it? And sun set. In this picture, the cock says cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay. So it says in the morning when the sun rises, isn't it? So you have to match with the sunrise. Okay, you have to match with the sunrise. Here, the children are playing, isn't it? Can you see? The children gathered together and they're playing some games. Okay, this happens in the evening. isn't it? This happens in the evening. So match it with this picture. Say moon in the sky and it is dark, isn't it? So it is the night time. It is the night time. Can you see sun at the top? Yes, isn't it? It is the afternoon. Okay. If you want, you can write morning, afternoon, night, evening. You can write here morning, afternoon, night, evening. Okay, you can also write the time intervals if you want it. Okay. Now look at this picture. Observe the pictures of daily activities and shade as follows. If the activity is morning, you can color with this. Okay, orange color. If it is the afternoon activity, you can color it with yellow. If it is an evening activity, you can color red. If it is a night activity, a black color should be given. Okay, so look at the picture given here and you have to give the correct shade. Can we do now, children? Yes. When will you go to sleep? At night, isn't it? So what color you have to give for night? Look here, what color you have to give? Black color, isn't it? So give black color. Black color. Excuse me. The next one, doing exercise, isn't it? Doing exercise, yoga, isn't it? So at what time you will do? Morning, isn't it? Yes, morning. What color you have to give? Orange color. So give orange color. Next, see, sun is at the top of your head. Okay, so what time interval is that? Afternoon. So color it with yellow. Next one, you're waking from your bed, isn't it? So at what time you all will wake up? In the morning. Yes, morning. So color it with orange color. When will you go to school, ma? Hmm? Morning, isn't it? Okay. When will you come from school? See, school is here. You're coming from the school to home. So at what time will you come from school to home? Evening, isn't it? So you have to color it with red color. Now, the last one, you can see moon day, stars, and it is very dark also. At what time it will it be like this? Night, isn't it? So you have to color it with black color. So I hope you all did this. Children, I'll give you some activities in the textbook itself. You can do in the textbook. I'll send the page number while I send the video. Okay, children. See you in the next class, children. Thank you.